Hello guys, here at Tatsulugan ng Tomas Mapua. Yuyumil guys, this is our location. And po ang Lope de Vega. Ayan guys, lakad-lakad lang konti. Ayan po ang ating harapan na blue building is Yan Selva. Ayan po ang papuntang Recto. Ayan guys. Let's go. Kain. A blasting. Ayan, enjoy your meal guys. Let's go. Tapsugan ng Tomas Mapua. Bye guys, in my next vlog. Thanks for watching. I love you all. Please follow and share. Love, love, love.